Vic Rodriguez for Senator, number 56. Attorney Vic Rodriguez, posible ang pagbabago.
Vic Rodriguez, walang talo, matalino, mabait, honest. Oh, si Rodriguez, kandidato ko ha?
Yes!
Yes!
And you were there from the start. Maraming bagay sa akin.
Senator.
Pero it's more on the advocacy and the position on where we stand when it comes to governance.
Yes.
Yun talaga. Ako, you have my vote. Gusto ko yung plataforma mo, tama yun, realistic yun. Tutuwin kita.
Salamat, Mayor. Salamat. Maraming salamat. Narinig niyo yung sinabi ni Mayor Baste. Maraming salamat.
Ikaw at ako, sambayan ng Pilipino, ang kanyang kaalyado. Attorney Vic Rodriguez, Attorney Vic Rodriguez, Attorney Vic Rodriguez, kasangga ng bawat Pilipino. Let's not give up on our nation. Let's not give up on the Filipino. Let us not give up our fight and our war on corruption. Republika ng Pilipinas, ang kanyang partido, ikaw at ako, sambayan ng Pilipino, ang kanyang kaalyado.